Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the refrigerator door handle in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Torx 10 screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator door handle. There are two identical refrigerator door handles on this particular refrigerator. If the mounting on the door handle wears out, the door handle won't stay on. Then it's time to replace the door handle. To get to the part, we need to open the right side of the refrigerator door. The door handle is held in place by two set screws. I'm going to use a Torx 10 screwdriver. I'm going to insert it into the screw and unscrew it, turning it counterclockwise. You don't have to pull it out completely. As soon as you're going to see the screw appears, it's going to be enough. Then I'm going to the upper one and also do the same thing. We're going to unscrew that screw and hold on to the handle because it's going to come off. And now we can take off the handle. This is the old refrigerator door handle next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Okay, we're going to install the door handle under the door. The screw's supposed to be facing you. I'm not joking. I know people who would put it other way around first. And I'm going to install it onto the posts. Hold on to it. And I'm going to tighten that set screw on the top with a Torx 10 screwdriver. And then the bottom one. And now we can close the door. Look what a beauty it is. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.